Welcome to Easy to Learn. Now we are going to learn about selection sort algorithm.
Hi guys, hope you are enjoying our animated way of teaching. Let us suppose there are two fish, a cat wants to eat. The question that raises in its mind is, which one should I eat first? It can simply follow the selection sort. Right, in the selection sort, it is pretty simple here. You need to find out the smallest element. That's it. Now let us consider an array which is unsorted, means the elements are not in order. So let's perform selection sort in order to keep the elements in sorted order. Right. You just need to help me in finding the smallest element. Now pass 1. Among the elements that were available, what is the smallest element? Yes, you are correct. 11 is the smallest element in this list. So what I do here is bring 11 to the first position and replace 77 into the position of 11. That is pass 1. Now after replacing, we are left out with the remaining elements. So among the remaining elements, which is the smallest? Yes, you are correct. 22 is the smallest element. So the same thing once again, I'll replace 22 with 33 and 33 with 22. That's the end of pass 2. Now we are left out with 4 elements. In pass 3, in the remaining elements, which is the smallest? Yes, 33 is the smallest. So I will replace 33 in position 2 and the value in position 2 will be kept in the place of 33. Right. So in pass 4, we look at the remaining elements. Among these, 44 is the smallest. So I'll keep 44 in position 3 and replace the value here in the place of 44. So we are left out with only 2 elements according to our example. So that's pretty simple here. Pass 5. Here we have only 2 elements, 88 and 77, and we know 77 is the smallest. Now we'll replace it. That's it. So this is our sorted list of elements, and we have sorted using selection sort. So the number of passes that are required in a selection sort is number of elements minus 1. Here the number of elements are 6. So 6 minus 1, 5. So we need only 5 passes. Hope you understood this clearly. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.